I have to go for class directly, topic directly. Sometimes, many times I'm missing that. That's why please remind me. Recording is not on. By unmuting yourself, please tell. Okay, beta? Someone want to join this call outside atomic energy. Then what to do? Yes, miss. Okay, beta. So this is the point here. It's like here, so many things are written. Let me remove something. So what to do? This HNO3, it increases the concentration of NO3 minus in the solution that is added before adding AgNO3. That's why with the small amount of AgNO3, we get white precipitate. Because NO3 ion is common in this. NO3 ion is already there. When we add AgNO3, then in less amount of AgNO3, the precipitation will start. That is the another example of common ion effect. So these things are related with the laboratory's work. And unfortunately, we are not doing this experiments in the lab. That's why many things may not be clear. So this is the common ion effect. It's on the whole, its meaning is if we add strong electrolyte having a common ion of the weak electrolyte, ionization of weak electrolyte is going to decrease. That is called common ion effect. Okay, beta? So let us take another topic that is also very important, solubility product. Solubility product. Okay. Before going to that topic, let me take what I mean by solubility. Some salts are highly soluble. They are simply, we say this particular compound is soluble in water, soluble in particular solvent. Some compounds we say this is partially soluble. That is also called sparingly soluble. And some are insoluble. Okay. So why the compounds are partially soluble, insoluble, or highly soluble? If it is depending on the nature of the substance. So if the solubility means amount of solute that can be dissolved in a fixed amount of solvent. That is the solubility. If solubility is greater than 0.1 m, 0.1 m, 0.1 m a mole of the substance is dissolved in 1 liter, that substance is called soluble in water. The substance will be soluble. It is said soluble. It is the limit. Its amount is 0.1 m, 0.1 mole, like a common salt. Its molar mass is 58.5. 0.1 m means 5.8. If 5.8 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 liter of water, we say that this compound is water soluble. Common solid solubility is too high. It is more than that. That's why it is fairly soluble in water. Okay. If solubility is less than 0.1 m and it is less than that and it is up to 0.01 m. We can say like this. Solubility is greater than 0.01 and it is up to 0.1 m, not more than that. 0.1 m is the maximum limit. Then the substance is called sparingly soluble, partially soluble. Sparingly soluble. Okay. When Solubility is less than 0.01 m. Then it is said it is almost insoluble. This is the solubility range. Which substance is called soluble, which is called sparingly soluble, or partial soluble, which is called insoluble. On this basis, we decide which is whether it is soluble, whether it is insoluble, whether it is sparingly soluble. Okay, beta? Why I am taking these things here? This topic is concerned with sparingly soluble substance. We are talking about equilibrium constant. We are going to say, write equilibrium constant expression for such type of compounds in a new form. That's why it is given a new term, solubility product. It is simply equilibrium constant only for sparingly soluble substance. Let me take an example after that definition part. A compound is AgCl, sodium silver chloride. It is solid. Just we have seen that precipitate of chloride ion is formed in the form of AgCl, white solid. This is going to dissolve in water and form silver ion, and it is aqueous, silver ion aqueous plus chloride ion aqueous. Its solubility is near about 0.1 m. It is in between 0.1 to 0.1 m. It is less soluble. It is sparingly soluble. So its equilibrium constant can be written as K is equal to molar concentration of product like Ag positive ion aqueous and Cl minus ion aqueous divided by molar concentration of AgCl solid. Okay. What is the concentration of a solid? What we refer that concentration of any solid? Yes, beta. Concentration of solid, just we have seen in this lesson at the beginning also, while writing expression of equilibrium constant, as it is 1. It is taken as 1. It is taken as 1. So this K into molar concentration of AgCl solid is equal to molar concentration of Ag positive into molar concentration of Cl minus. Okay. This is the expression, and here K is constant, AgCl is also constant. Product of these two constant is a new constant. This is the multiple of these two constant. K is equilibrium constant as a fixed value, and AgCl, just we have seen its value is 1. That's a product of these two constant is a new constant, and this new constant is written as KSP. KSP refers as solubility product. It is KSP. Its symbol is KSP. Sometimes it is also written as KS. Some books you can find it is KS only. That is also correct. This solubility product is equal to molar concentration of Ag positive ion into molar concentration of Cl minus ion. So here the definition comes. The definition is solubility product is the product of molar concentration of ions in the aqueous solution, in a saturated solution of a sparingly soluble salt. How to define? Solubility product is the product of molar concentration of ions of a sparingly soluble substance in its saturated solution. In a saturated solution of a substance, partially soluble substance, insoluble substance, sparingly soluble substance, the product of molar concentration of ions is called solubility product. Just express in words, this becomes definition. It is the product of molar concentration of ions present in saturated solution of sparingly soluble substance. Molar concentration in the sense, the volume should be 1 liter, and this concentration in terms of moles. That is the solubility product. Okay, definition clear? You can write it. It is the product of molar concentration of ions in a saturated solution of sparingly soluble substance. In a saturated solution of sparingly soluble substance. it is called solubility product. Okay. So here this derivation is not needed. Directly we have to write this expression for the particular substance. For this AgCl, this is the expression of solubility product. Let me write here again. This can be written directly. This is not, derivation is not needed. Ksp is equal to product of silver ion and the product of chloride ion in a saturated solution of AgCl. If it is in this way, PbCl2, another compound, it is also sparingly soluble. Lead second chloride, Columbus chloride, it is solid. It is going to ionize to give Pb2 positive aqueous plus Cl2Cl minus aqueous. Here see that coefficient is 2, 2Cl minus aqueous. Coefficient is 2. Then here Ksp for this compound is slightly different. Here is 1Cl, here is 2Cl. Then how to write this? How to express this? Okay, बेटा कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आ रही आपको सुनने में? Do you feel any difficulty in viewing the board and listening?
No, sir.
Clear. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Okay, Tanmay. So Ksp for this compound is Ksp is equal to product of molar concentration of Pb2 positive. Here it is Pb2 positive. Coefficient is 1. That's why power is 1. And here product of Cl minus, coefficient is 2. That's why it comes in the form of power, raised to power 2. This is the expression of solubility product for PbCl2. This is AB type of salt, A and B. Here it is AB2 type of salt. Okay. If the salt is like this, ferric hydroxide, FeOH3, ferric hydroxide. And for this, what is the expression of solubility product? It is equal to, it is giving ferric ion, Fe3 positive ion, Fe3 positive, and 3OH minus ion, 3OH minus. Then what is the expression of a solubility product Ksp for this? Ksp is equal to product of molar concentration of ferric ion, Fe3 positive, into product of molar concentration of OH minus raised to power 3. Because OH coefficient is 3, that's why raised to power 3. This is the way to express the expression of solubility product. Okay, beta? Definition part clear? If any example given, can you write its expression? This is the way of writing expression. Solubility product. Why we are studying this? What is the role of solubility product? Its application. What is the application of solubility product in chemistry? Applications. The one application is, if Ksp is known, Ksp is a constant value for all the salts at room temperature. It varies with temperature. If increase the temperature, the value of Ksp going to increase. It depends on temperature. But at room temperature, all sparingly soluble substances, they are having the fixed value of Ksp, solubility product. Okay. The first application is, we can calculate the solubility of a substance if its solubility product is known. Calculation of, see that calculation involved, calculation of solubility. We can calculate solubility of a sparingly soluble substance if its solubility product is known. How is it possible? Let me take example. Once again, AgCl is sparingly soluble, going to ionize to give Ag positive plus Cl minus. Let its solubility X. It's X mole going to dissolve. This is the solubility. X mole dissolve in 1 liter. That's the meaning of solubility. It's in 1 liter. How many moles of the compound going to dissolve? its X mole is dissolved in 1 liter. Then silver ion, its X mole will form, and chloride ion, its X mole will form. Okay, beta? So what is KSP? KSP is equal to product of silver ion and the product of chloride and silver ion and chloride ion in the solution. This KSP is known. It is fixed. We can use the table to find this. Then this is KSP is equal to, here is X and here is also X. X mole of this, X mole of this. I have filled the value. Our KSP is equal to X square. Our solubility X equal to root over KSP. KSP is known, then we can fill this KSP and we can take its root with the help of log table. And we can find the value of X. That is the solubility of AgCl. This is the one application. Okay. One more application. After that, we are going to calculate the same. The second application is precipitation. Precipitation. When the precipitate form, when we are mixing two liquids, two substances are going to combine, then when precipitation starts, sometime within few ml of another substance precipitate obtained in some condition, while with the other compounds we need more amount of the substance, more volume of the substance to be mixed, then only precipitation takes place. It depends on solubility product. In a solution, if ionic product, multiple of the ions, exceeds the solubility product, we have taken chloride ion, sodium chloride solution and adding AgNO3. This chloride ion going to precipitate as AgCl. When we are adding AgNO3, the product of Ag ion and chloride ion, Ag ion we have added, chloride ion already in the solution. If the multiple of these two concentration is more than its solubility product, as soon as precipitation starts. The precipitation concept is this: when the ionic product exceeds the solubility product, the precipitation will take place. This is the one thing. Precipitation will be formed when ionic product exceeds the solubility product. Otherwise, no precipitation will take place. As soon as we are adding one substance to another, generally we are getting precipitate after adding some more amount, not at all of a sudden. That is depending on its solubility product. If ionic product exceeds, then only precipitation will take place. This is the second application. And in this way, there are so many other applications, but these are the two main applications of solubility product. Okay, beta? So, I have some numericals. Please try this numerical. I'm going to write and try to calculate. Solubility product of, please write, solubility product of AgCl is 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10. It's a no unit because it is a constant. It is just like equilibrium constant. It has no unit. Calculate its solubility. Calculate its solubility. How many moles of AgCl can be dissolved in 1 liter solution? That is the solubility. Okay, beta? So what to do in the solution of this numerical? It's a solution. First, we have to write ionization of silver nitrate, AgCl. AgCl, silver chloride is solid, going to ionize to give Ag positive ion and Cl minus ion. Please do along with me. Solve करिए इसको हमारे साथ साथ. Its solubility is X mole. Solubility. Solubility is X mole. X mole per liter. Understood. Then X mole of silver ion and X mole of chloride ion will form. X mole both. KSP is equal to product of silver ion and chloride ion in the solution. Okay. Then KSP value is given 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10. See that how small quantity is going to dissolve. 10 raised to power minus 10. It is sparingly soluble. This is equal to X into X. Its mole is X, small is X in the solution, X mole. Then X square is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Tanvay, please be ready. Please be ready with the log table. Okay. So here X square is that. So X equal to root over 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Okay, beta? Square root, mathematically, if you're trying manually, it takes some time. It is better to use log table. Square root, cube root, or fourth root. With the help of log table, we can easily solve. Yes, beta, yes, yes, very good. So it is what? This power should be in the table of 2. And here it is 10, that's why it is in the table of 2. Then this is the rough work. We have to write a side of the book. Here it is root of 1.8. Can be written as 1 by 2 log 1.8. Okay, beta? Is it clear? For square root, we take 1 by 2. For cube root, we take 1 by 3. Like that. Here it is equal to 1 by 2 log 1.8. Log 1.8 means whole number is one digit, that is one only, and its characteristic will be 0. जितने whole number digits से उससे एक कम, that is 0. Then go for 18 का 0 में. बच्चों बेटा बता दीजिए वैल्यू. 18 का 0 में log देख के बता दीजिए कितनी वैल्यू है. 2553. तन्मय, yes बेटा, 2553. 2553. Is it visible to you? Yes beta, 2553. Yes, ध्यान से. Yes, correct. Is it visible to you? 2553. This is equal to, let me write here. This is equal to, divide this by 2. 0.2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 7 ja 15, 14, 1 15, 2 6 ja 12. 1276. Because log introduced from our side, then its answer we will get from NT log. We have to see the NT log of this. This is, we can say, to solve this log, we have to go for NT log 0.1276. Please tell me the NT log of, बच्चों देखिए जरा, 0.12 का 7 में NT log. NT log start from 0.01. तो देखिए 0.12 का 7 में व्हाट इज द वैल्यू. 12 लीजिए 7th रो में, ऊपर से 7th रो में इसको मैच करिए. यस बेटा 1340. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज चेक इट. इट इज 1340 एंड 6 का मीन डिफरेंस उसी के राइट में और चलिए. इसके बाद मीन डिफरेंस के कॉलम है 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू 9. इट इज 2. इस 2 को इसमें ऐड करना है. 1340 इट बिकम्स 1342. लग रहा है कल भी हमने शायद इसको यूज किया था, इसलिए फिगर ऐसा लग रहा है. लेफ्ट से 1 डिजिट छोड़कर डेसिमल लगा दीजिए. ओके, सो इट इज इक्वल टू x इक्वल टू 1.342. दिस इज द concentration. This is the moles per liter into, not into 10 raised to power minus 5. Here the 10 raised to power minus 10, it's a square root divided by 2. That's why it is 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. This much moles of AgCl can be dissolved in 1 liter. This is the meaning of this solubility product. Okay, beta? This is the way to calculate. This is the salt like AB. Now go for the next one, AB2 type, like a PbCl2, PbBr2, like that. And their solubility product given in the table. Okay, beta? ओके ध्यान, चलिए आगे चलते हैं। If any doubt regarding log, it should clarify at this stage. Here it is. Calculate solubility of PbCl2 if its solubility product KSP is equal to KSP. I have written here 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Calculate solubility of PbCl2 if its KSP is equal to this much. It is the question now. Okay, beta? Then how to proceed? What is the way of solution? Solution. PbCl2, its ionization process. First we have to write. PbCl2 ionizes to give, this is the simple way we can manage it for any compound. Gives Pb2 positive. We are knowing Cl is Cl minus chloride ion. If 2 negative ion, it means Pb having 2 positive charge. Charge should be equal. Plus 2 Cl minus. We can't write Cl2 1 minus. It is not like that. Cl chloride ion is Cl minus only. Then 2 we have to write here. 2 Cl minus. Okay. Then expression. It's a solubility x mole. Then here we get x mole of Pb2 positive, and here we get 2x mole of Cl minus, chloride ion 2x mole as per the equation. Then expression of solubility product Ksp is equal to molar concentration of Pb2 positive into molar concentration of Cl minus square. Because coefficient is 2, this coefficient will come in the form of power square. Fill the values. Here it is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is equal to Pb is x, bracket is not needed, Pb is x into Cl is 2x. Then it is how much? X square. 2x square, yes, it is 2x square, not x square, 2x square, take care. It is 2x square. Here the problem comes. Cl concentration is 2x, that's why it should be 2x as well as square.
Sir,
This is the way.
2x
2x square.
Sir.
Okay, beta, is it clear? Chloride ion concentration will be double of Pb2 positive concentration. And their square also. This is equal to 4x cube. 4x cube. Okay, beta? So, x is equal to cube root of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 5 divided by 4. This is equal to cube root of 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay, this is equal to this power. It should be in the table of 3 because we are going to take cube root. The power we are going to divide it by 3 while taking the cube root. It is 5, which is not in the table of 3. We have to manage the decimal. This is equal to cube root of, we have to make it minus 6, or we can make it minus 3. Minus 6 is better. If we take here minus 6, then it becomes 4 into 10 raised to power minus 6. We have decreased this value. So this value we have to increase. Okay, beta? It is the cube root of that. Finally, here x is equal to where x is equal to cube root, we have to take cube root of 4. How to take its cube root? Here the rough work. Cube root of 4 is equal to 1 by 3 log 4. If anywhere any calculation mistake, please tell me. I'm doing in that way. Somewhere there may be some multiplication problem. So it is 1 by 3 log 4. This is equal to 1 by 3 into whole number 4, one digit, characteristic 0, 0 point. Please tell the value of log 4. It is double of log 2, 3010. Tell me the value, log 4, yes beta. What is the value of log 4? It should be the double of 0.3010, 6021. Yes, it is correct. 6021. That's why I told you earlier, if you know the value of log 2, log 3, log 5, we can save our time in exams. Here it is the double of log 2, that is a 0.3010, it is 6021. If you write 6020, that is also correct. This is equal to 0 point. We have to go for NT log. NT log, we can write directly NT log 3 to the 6.2 and 0, 0, 3, 7 ja 2.2007 is the 1/3 value. So finally go for this cube root. Here it is equal to, yes beta, please tell me the value. NT log 0.20 का 0.20 का 2 में देखिए, 0 में देखिए, yes 0.20 का 0 में log, NT log, sorry, yes beta 1585, yes beta, yes 1585, 1585, yes it is correct. 0.20 का 0 में 7 का मेन डिफरेंस, उसके राइट में चलिए, मेन डिफरेंस के कॉलम सेपरेट लाइन है, इट इज 3, यस तन्मय, इट इज 1588, 3 इसमें ऐड करना, मेन डिफरेंस ऐड करना है, एंड हियर वी हैव टू पुट a decimal point, 15.1588 is the cube root of 4. So this is equal to x equal to 1.5858 into 10 raised to power. Here power is -6 divided by 3 while taking the cube root, 10 raised to power -2 moles per liter. This is the solubility of that particular compound. Okay beta, clear हुआ? This is the application of solubility product. In this way, they are asking the numericals. See that in this lesson, we are solving numericals almost all the topics. So don't afraid about from the numericals. You have to solve it. You have to do that. So one more topic is left in this lesson that we will discuss in the next day. That is the buffer solution. Buffer solution is also one of the small topic. We will discuss that on the next day. So thank you beta, thank you all. कल हमने एक न्यूमेरिकल दिया था, आपने सॉल्व किया, pH of ammonium hydroxide solution, pH of sodium hydroxide solution and ammonium hydroxide both. आपने सॉल्व किया, जरूर आपने सॉल्व किया होगा, और कोई डिफिकल्टी अगर आती है तो आपको पूछना है. If you are facing any difficulty in any calculation numericals, you ask me. ऐसा ध्यान से तो सॉल्व किया, ध्यान से आपने कल दोनों पार्ट, दोनों न्यूमेरिकल्स, तो प्लीज डू इट. अगर नहीं किया है तो करिए. कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स आपको इस सॉल्वेबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट के करने हैं. हितेश, यस बेटा, ध्यान, प्लीज सॉल्व द न्यूमेरिकल्स गिवन इन द एक्सरसाइज. दिस लेसन numerical part is over, no more numerical now. So solve the exercise questions given in the exercise of the lesson and be confident. If you solve the numerical, you will be more confident. You will get the confidence on that. Thank you beta, thank you Karthik, thank you all, thank you Aman, thank you Ambika. Yes beta, thank you very much.